Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you an animal print decor challenge. It is hosted by Antoinette from Ant's Place. Also Tammy, me, myself, and DIY. Now we were to create a tablescape, a coffee table, a mantle bar cart, counter, breakfast bar, any space of your liking with your animal print decor. So here I am sharing with you what I came up with the animal print decor that I have. I will walk around the table briefly and I will come back and share with you where all my pieces came from. All right, now that we have took a quick look, let's get into this table. Here I'm just sharing with you the oversized pillow that I have for seating. Again, this is a table styling for two. This is a E-Favor crinkled gold table sash. I have 4 on this table. Here we have an E-Favor marked black napkin with my Hobby Lobby gold utensils, flatware. And this is a E-Favor marked gold satin napkin with the black linen napkin. They are 20 by 20. And my napkin ring is from Hobby Lobby. It was either $2.99 or $3.99 with 66% off. And I thought they added an extra touch to my table style. Now, this plate and bowl animal print. This is a borrowed item from my mother. This is this beautiful bowl. She has had this set for quite some time, and I just wanted to borrow a couple of pieces just to create this look. Now, if you see here, this is the Majestic Wear, made in 1997. So she has had this for quite some time, as I said. Thank you, Mother. Now, this is just a black Dollar Tree saucer. And the animal print plate, you see it has the leopard, the cheetah, and the tiger print on the plate. I just love it. And this is a black charger plate from Dollar Tree. Pardon me, I forgot the saucer. Now here we have my wine goblet. This is from Home Goods. It was original $4.99. Bought it for $2. And the other two are up on the shelf. It was a total of 4. Now this runner is a faux fur, and I purchased it from Hobby Lobby after Christmas sale. This is a black tea light holder and a gold Goodwill tea light. You all seen me refurbish this tray. Now this elephant is a gift from a dear friend. I've had this elephant, wow, for quite some time, and it's also a baby elephant with it. Now you also saw me touch up the succulents in my previous video. And here you have my table style. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go over to Antoinette's aunt's place and me, myself, and DIYing at Tammy's, and also check out the playlist. We have some awesome creators, and I cannot wait to see what they all created and what area that they created it. So again, I thank you all for your continuous support. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, and I hope that you will return again. And as I always say, be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. I will see you guys in my next video.